Hello 18, magbubukas na ang wakas at simula the Pack-Up Store of SB19 ngayong April 26 to June 10 this year sa Level 2 North Entertainment Mall, Mall of Asia. Weekdays 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Weekends 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Kaya gora na, bukas na bukas, no visa needed.